Ever wondered how your iPhone goes from a collection of raw materials to the sleek, sophisticated device in your hand? Let's embark on a detailed journey, from the microscopic chip to the vibrant screen, exploring the intricate and fascinating assembly process that brings this technological marvel to life. It all begins with the design phase. Apple's brilliant engineers and designers meticulously plan every single detail, from the overall size and shape of the device to the precise placement of each individual component, ensuring optimal functionality and aesthetic appeal. Numerous prototypes are painstakingly created, rigorously tested, and repeatedly refined until the ideal design is achieved, a process often spanning several years before a final product is released. Next, we move on to the procurement of components. These vital parts are sourced from various corners of the globe, reflecting the truly international nature of modern manufacturing. The heart of the iPhone, the powerful A-series chip, is typically manufactured by leading companies like TSMC, renowned for their advanced semiconductor fabrication capabilities. Other crucial components include the stunning display, the sophisticated camera modules, the long-lasting battery, the intricately designed logic board, and a myriad of other essential elements. These meticulously crafted components are then shipped to specialized assembly plants, strategically located around the world. The assembly process itself is a remarkable blend of highly automated machinery and the skilled hands of human workers. It's a testament to efficiency and precision. The initial step usually involves the chassis. This is the structural frame of the iPhone, meticulously crafted to provide both durability and a sleek aesthetic. Components are precisely and carefully fitted into the chassis, often by robotic arms with incredible accuracy. This includes the logic board, the central nervous system of the iPhone, which is the main circuit board. The advanced A-series chip, along with other essential processors and memory modules, are expertly soldered onto the logic board, creating the computational powerhouse that drives the device. Then comes the delicate process of attaching the display. The display is a complex and intricate component, integrating the screen itself, the responsive touch sensors, and a range of other cutting-edge technologies that bring the visuals to life. Following the display, the camera modules are meticulously installed. The iPhone typically boasts multiple cameras, each designed for a specific function, such as capturing stunning photos and videos, and enabling features like augmented reality.